This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Let's compare proportional relationships represented in different ways. Remember that two quantities have a proportional relationship if they have a constant unit rate. We may see this represented as an equation, like this one, y equals 2x. This represents a proportional relationship because the value of y is always twice the value of x. In this case, the unit rate is 2. You may notice that this is the same as the slope. We can also represent a proportional relationship using a graph. It will be a line passing through the origin, and the slope is the unit rate. We can even represent a proportional relationship using a table or a description. Let's try some examples. Lucy is making rope keychains and beaded keychains to give to her friends. The equation y equals 4.5x describes the number of rope keychains y that she can make in x hours. The graph shows how fast Lucy can make beaded keychains. Let's first determine which type of keychain Lucy can make faster. Looking at the equation, we can see that the unit rate for rope keychains is 4.5. But how do we know if that rate is keychains per hour or hours per keychain? Well, since x is the number of hours and y is the number of rope keychains, notice that if we put in 1 for x, we get y equals 4.5. So she can make 4.5 rope keychains in 1 hour, or 4.5 rope keychains per hour. To find the unit rate for beaded keychains, we can use any point on the graph. Let's use this one with coordinates 3, 12. That means that she can make 12 beaded keychains in 3 hours. We want to calculate how many beaded keychains she can make in 1 hour. To do that, let's divide 12 by 3 to get 4 beaded keychains per hour. 4.5 is greater than 4, so Lucy can make the rope keychains faster than the beaded keychains. Next, let's figure out how many rope keychains Lucy can make in 4 hours. If she makes 4.5 rope keychains in 1 hour, then we'll multiply 4.5 by 4 to see that she can make 18 rope keychains in 4 hours. Great work! Here's our next example. The principal at East Middle School needs to buy a printer, and she's trying to decide between two models. There is a proportional relationship between the number of pages printed and the amount of time it takes. The first model is an ink printer and prints 65 pages in 5 minutes. The other model is a laser printer whose printing rate is shown in this table. Okay, first we need to determine which model prints at a faster rate. Let's figure out the unit rate for each printer in pages per minute. The ink printer can print 65 pages in 5 minutes. Dividing the numerator and denominator by 5, we see that it can print 13 pages per minute. For the laser printer, we can use any of these data points to calculate the unit rate, since we know the unit rate is constant. Let's use this one. 49 pages in 3.5 minutes. Dividing the numerator and denominator by 3.5, we see that the laser printer can print 14 pages per minute. So the laser printer is faster than the ink printer, since it prints more pages per minute. How much faster is it? 14 minus 13 is 1. So the laser printer can print 1 more page per minute than the ink printer. Nice work on these examples. You're ready to compare proportional relationships represented in different ways.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.